Alrighty, here's a quick tutorial on the pen through bill trick. And I'll just do a quick performance. I'm going to hand you the $5 bill and have you take a look at it and make sure that everything is as it should be. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to try some magic here. And what I'm going to do is to face some Canadian money, and I'm just going to poke it right through there. And as you can see, there's a hole. And the line I use is that the government doesn't like it when you deface money. And I say, well, I did no such thing. And they say, well, we can see the hole right there. And I say, what are you talking about? There's no hole there. And I say, and you're more than welcome to check out the pen. You can even write with it if you want. And there you go. That's the trick. So what I'm going to do now is to show you exactly how I did it. So when you start the trick off, you take the pen and you get them to examine the bill. And what you're doing when you're using the pen like this is just basically planting in their brain that this is just like a regular pen, and you're getting the focus on the bill itself. And then once they grab the bill and investigate it, you're going to go like this and just take the tip off of the end of the pen. And you just keep it right in there. And then you're going to just put it this way. You're just going to hide the end of the pen that doesn't have a tip on it anymore. So then once you get it back, you want to have the bill started at already kind of folded in half. And then what you want to do is to take your hand over and then put it in the middle, okay? So you're taking this, putting it in here. And by doing it this way, you're camouflaging the tip being gone. And once you're here, you're golden because they can't see there's no tip on there. You've got your tip security locked in here, and then you go in like this, and then you put you do a little acting, and the magnet grabs onto the tip. Then you do the big blow. Don't blow on your spectators in these COVID times. And go to the side, you do the blow. And then as soon as you do it, you hand the bill over because these people are amazed. But once you take that pen, you just take the tip off and put it back to where it was before. And then as you're casually talking, you can say, yeah, and you're more than welcome to check out the pen. And that's where the regular tip comes in. And you are set. Now you can keep this in your hand, or you can ditch it to your pocket, or whatever it is. Takes a little bit of practice, but once you know how to do it, people love it, and they'll be amazed. But only do it once, never do it twice. There you go.